are so excited to partner with MoxiWorks to help our associates increase your productivity by an average of 5 transactions in 2020. MoxiPresent provides the industry's best CMA, plus buyer tours and other cool online presentations. MoxiPresent is available right now for all our associates. Today, we will show you the options to add videos to MoxiPresent. We already know that video is the most effective communications medium and will help you separate yourself from the competition. We also announced an iPhone 11 Pro sweepstakes to provide a little more incentive. Just send your MoxiPresent CMA, buyer tour, or other presentation to your managing broker before noon on December 30th. If you include a video, your entry will count twice. The iPhone 11 Pro is a very cool device that will make a great New Year's gift to yourself. MoxiPresent provides 2 ways to add videos. The first option is to add a link or URL from either YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. The second option is to insert the embed code. The embed option is a little more complicated, but is a great option for advanced users. We will cover this in a future episode. Here are the instructions to create a link. As far as the hosting sites go, YouTube is probably going to be your best option because it's free and easy to use. The only drawback to YouTube is that your recipient will see other recommended videos at the end of your video. These days, most people are used to that with YouTube. If you prefer, Vimeo is another great option and is relatively inexpensive to set up a business account. Here's how to get started with YouTube on a desktop. Step 1. Create your own YouTube channel. You may already have a Google account, but you will still need to create a YouTube channel. Just select this option under the menu on the right side of the page and follow the instructions. Step 2. Record your video using your phone or other device. Step 3. Upload your video to YouTube by clicking the video camera icon in the upper right. Then click Upload Video. You can either drag and drop your file or click to browse your computer for your video. Step 4. Title your video. Add a description if desired, select or upload a thumbnail image, add to a playlist, and complete the questions to finish the upload. You'll see here that you can copy the custom video link. You'll need this for your Moxie presentation. Copy the video link before proceeding. Next, you can add an end screen or ad cards in the next step of the video upload, but you don't need to and can click Next to skip. Step 5. Set your video's visibility to public or unlisted. Click the drop-down arrow by Publish Now and select the option you want. Public will allow anyone on YouTube to see your video, and unlisted will only allow it to be viewed by those who have the link. Private makes your video completely private, and this will not work in your presentation. For your Moxie presentations that are specific to a listing presentation and message to your clients, you are probably going to want to set your visibility to unlisted. Click the blue Publish button on the lower right. Let's say you want to quickly record a video to your mobile device and want to add it to a Moxie presentation using a YouTube link. Here's how. Step 1. Download the YouTube app to your mobile device. Step 2. Select the video from your gallery and tap to share. Step 3. Tap the YouTube app. Step 4. Scroll to add title, description, privacy. Remember, we suggest unlisted for most videos. Then tap the blue arrow at the top. Step 5. You will see your video begin uploading at the top of a list of your videos. Once it has finished uploading, tap the 3 dots for more options, then tap Copy Link. Now that you have the link, let's add to a page in MoxiPresent. Adding the video link to MoxiPresent is probably the easiest part of the process. To do so, start your presentation in MoxiPresent and click Add Page. Then click Create New, then Build Page. Next, you'll select your layout. There are several options here, but we recommend the full screen video. Select your page option, then click Create. Now you'll see where you can click to add from any 4 elements. In this case, we'll select Video. A pop-up window will appear and you will simply add your YouTube link. Next, click Save in the upper right. You will then be prompted to name your page and add a description. Click Save when complete. If you want to add other videos, such as a video from the marketing resource, you can download those videos in MP4 format and upload them to YouTube. Then just follow the prior instructions to get the link from YouTube. If you want to add a video from our company YouTube page, simply click the video, then click Share under the video's title. Click Copy to copy the link. Now you are ready to start adding videos in MoxiPresent. Remember to send your sample presentations to your managing broker before December 30th at noon. Include your video for a double entry in the sweepstakes. Most importantly, video helps you connect better with your prospects and will separate you from the competition. And we know that agents using MoxiPresent close over 43% more transactions than those who do not. 2020 is going to be an exciting year, and the power of MoxiWorks can help you make it your best year ever. Now that's good to know.